matter. You want to hold with your backhand or front hand?
I'll try both this time.
Okay. If you hold, let me show you. If you hold your front hand,
Yeah.
it should be like this.
Backhand.
Yeah, backhand and point back or something.
No, I'll try back. I'll start with back.
Okay.
You ready?
1 minute.
I don't want to waste all your film.
Yeah, you can go first.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
I'll see you at the bottom.
Matter.